Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we will learn past indefinite tense, also called past simple tense. He played cricket and she went to school. Before starting the video, if you are new in the channel, subscribe the channel and give like to the video. Introduction. Is used to describe an action that happened happened and finished. Yesterday, one year ago in 2022, like that. Last night or last month. Go for sentence structure. Sentence structure. Affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences or positive sentences. Sentences. So first we use subject plus second plus object. Example: he played cricket. He is subject, played a second form of verb. First form is play, second form is played, and cricket is object. She watched movie and they went to Islamabad. So these are examples of past simple tense. Negative sentence structure. Subject plus did plus not plus first form of verb plus object. He didn't play hockey. She didn't go to school. Important rule Remember that after do not use base form of verb. Let's talk about some common mistake people make that I did I didn't went there. This sentence is incorrect. The correct form of this sentence is I didn't go there. This is correct because after didn't we use base form of verb, and here we have used went second form of verb. So this one sentence is correct. I didn't go there. Go is first form of or base form of verb. So this sentence is correct. Question at did you eat food? So this is incorrect because after there is already a second form of verb, so we use first form of verb because like did you eat, you will use base form of verb food. So this one is correct tense. First I woke up early. I opened prayer. I went to office and I came back home. Three sentences in fast, indefinite, and comment.